Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary.
So today guys, we're going to carry on with the makeup challenge. I'm so excited for this one because it's one of my favorite colors. So what we're going to be inspired by is this necklace. So this necklace has only two colors. I hope you can see the colors correctly. I hope the colors are not flashed out. So we have gold, of course, and then we have the brown. So this is the other reason why I'm giving this away. I don't know if anyone can fix it, and then so yeah, that is our makeup look inspiration. So what we're going to do today, I did my one eye off camera like I always do to save some time. So what I'm going to do is just tap in the brown into my crease. So let me zoom in for you guys so you can get an up close look of what I'm doing to the eyes. Okay, let me turn down the light, yeah, to make it a bit true to my skin. Perfect. Okay, so I use the brown, and then now what I'm going to do is use the concealer, and then I'm going to create a cut crease. If you have any questions of how I'm blending, I'll link my how to blend like a pro, how to blend eyeshadow like a pro. It's if you practice those techniques, it becomes so much easier. You need to practice, and then everything else will fall into place. So I'm cutting this cut crease. I'm not taking it all the way back. I just want to create it like a halfway there, and then once I'm happy with the shape and everything is precise and symmetrical, what I'm going to do is take a pale color. I don't know what to call this color, it's just pale. Let me show you. So we're going to use this color, this one. It's pale, I don't know what to call it. So that's the color that we're going to use on our cut crease. So what I'm going to do is just dab it, a dab on cut crease. And then the next thing, just after doing the pale color, I'm going to use this kind gold shimmer. This one, that's the one that I'm going to use to line the gold right there. And then what you want to do after doing that, you will want to take your brown again and just blend the two colors together to make it seem very, very seamless. But you want to be gentle with it because you have a glitter there. You don't want it to move around, you don't want it to touch your brush, because then it will be just a hot mess, and we're not dealing with hot messes. You need to be perfect with eyeshadow. Everything has to be good. I'm going to be using this black pencil to make a wing liner, I don't want to use a gel, pot gel that I always use. I just want to make use of products that I haven't been using a lot on my channel. So I'm just going to take it one step at a time as I draw this line. We're going to carry on with our face makeup routine. Like usual, use your primer, and this is the Soapy Prep and Poreless. I have a lot of pores, so this is a good one for me. And then what you'd want to do is just lay on your foundation. Now I'm using the MAC. And then what we're going to use now is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. For the next product I'll be using is the Alea Girl HD powder. So I'm just going to set my concealer with it. You know what time it is? It's for me to contour with my favorite contour powder. So I'm just going to carve out my cheekbones. It looks so gray. I don't fix that. I'll fix that. I will be creating an inner corner highlight. You can use the same shimmer that you use here, but I decided to use a different kind of shimmer. And then I'm going to use a mascara to make sure that my falsies and my natural lashes are blended well together. Okay. Ooh. So I'm going to set my face now. Blend everything together. I'm going to give myself a highlight. So I'm going to use a brown here, this brown. I'm just going to put it right there on the cheeks. So this is the final look, guys. I just used the same necklace, the necklace that inspired this makeup look, this eyeshadow look, if I could say so, and then I just paired it with this top that matches the colors of the necklace. You know, I want to complement the necklace and the eyeshadow look, and obviously the outfit has to complete the whole look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You find inspiration within your closet around the things that you think don't have value anymore but could actually inspire you. So I hope you like this video. I hope you give me a thumbs up. If you do, please comment and tell me if this is something that you would find inspirational, and please tag me on Instagram at kholofelo.s. I'll write it up there for you guys somewhere here so that you guys can directly get me, or I'll leave a link directly to my Instagram page. Don't forget to hashtag makeup accessorized for people to be able to see where this all came about. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I appreciate every single one of you. I love you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next challenge. Bye, guys.